Welcome. You need pen and paper for this meditation and a quiet place where you can sit or lie. Let's begin. On your piece of paper at the very top, I'd like you to write, "My decision has been made." And you can underline that or make it bold and even say the words out loud. You're setting the intention that your decision has been made, even though you, at this point in time, don't know how. And below that, write down what your decision is. And once you've done that, just pop pen and paper to one side and make yourself comfortable. We're going to begin by bringing your awareness to the breath. This is one of the ways, one of the tools I'm going to share today that can bring you out of the head thinking, the treadmill that goes on and on and on, especially with decision making. And the breath has a calming quality to it when you give it some attention. So it takes you out of your mind and has a soothing effect as well. Breathing in and breathing out. If you can breathe through the nose, that's preferable. And take the breath all the way down to the belly. Another strategy to keep your thoughts harnessed is to have your eyes looking down towards your belly, watching it as it rises and falls. So breathing in, and your eyes are watching the belly rise and then fall. Breathing in and feeling your body against the chair or wherever you're lying. We're bringing your awareness into your body. You're taking a break from trying to figure out your decision. Breathing in and dropping your shoulders. Breathing in all the way down to your belly. Continue this breathing. Find a rhythm. If any thoughts arise in relation to this meditation, to your decision-making process, please write them down. But if the thoughts are unrelated, simply come back to watching the breath, your belly rise and fall, and feeling your body against the chair or wherever you're lying. Make this an easy process. Please do not be hard on yourself. That will not support you in your decision making. I'd now like you to imagine that there is a larger version of you, an energetic version of you, which can look like you or can be a beautiful light. It's entirely up to you, the visual. It's your imagination. But this aspect of you is larger than you, much larger, and represents your higher self. And your higher self is, of course, high wisdom and knows exactly what you need to do. Breathing in and seeing that taller, larger aspect of you. Now I want you to imagine handing that piece of paper with your notes on over to your higher self and saying, "Thank you for helping me with this decision. You're no longer doing this alone, this decision-making process. You now have powerful support that you can trust and believe in. But you must surrender to the process by believing that your decision is made. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And there may be some timing in this decision. There could be more information that you require, and that's why it's been a challenge to solve. Be kind to yourself with this process and accept that it takes as long as it takes. But you know you have received the answer at some point, and you know that your higher self has your back. You can continue to relax and breathe. Breathing in and relaxing. Breathing in and knowing that this decision has been made at some point. Breathing in and allowing any further information to come your way. Breathing in and staying calm with the process. With your next breath in, thank your higher self, show some appreciation. Breathing in all the way down to your toes, wiggling your toes and fingers, opening your eyes, and please revisit this meditation for as long as is necessary. If you have received some value, I ask that you click the thumbs up and also invite you to subscribe to the channel. There's a variety of meditations to choose from. And also click the notifications button, because this really is a wonderful way to remind you to meditate daily. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.